Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to share computer audio on Zoom. This is incredibly useful when you need to present a video, play music, or share any audio from your computer during a meeting, ensuring everyone hears it clearly through Zoom rather than through your microphone. Let's start by opening your Zoom app. Once it loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your account. After you've successfully logged in, the next step is to join a meeting. Click on the Join button and enter the meeting ID or link to connect to the session you need to attend. Once you're in the meeting, direct your attention to the bottom toolbar. Here, you'll find several options for managing your meeting experience. Locate and click on the Share button. This is the key feature that allows you to share your screen content with other participants in the meeting. After clicking Share, a new window will pop up showing you various sharing options. Here, you'll see thumbnails of your different screens and windows. Select the specific screen you want to share by clicking on it. This determines what your meeting participants will be able to see during your presentation. Now, here's the crucial part for sharing audio. On the right side of this sharing window, you'll notice a panel labeled Share Options. Navigate to this section carefully, as this is where you'll enable the audio sharing feature. In the Share Options panel, look for a checkbox that says Share Sound. This option is what enables your computer's audio to be transmitted through Zoom's audio channel rather than just capturing it through your microphone, which would result in poor quality. Go ahead and check the box beside Share Sound to activate this feature. Finally, with the Share Sound option enabled and your screen selected, click the Share button at the bottom of the window. Your screen will now be shared with all meeting participants, and any audio playing from your computer will be transmitted directly through Zoom's audio system, giving everyone a clear, high-quality listening experience. And that's it. You've successfully set up audio sharing on Zoom, allowing your meeting participants to hear your computer's audio clearly and professionally. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.